Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Diane Deziel and today I share with you to do a simple beanie. You'll see it's one pattern piece, 3 sewing steps. This is my one piece pattern for the basic beanie. Go get the pattern in my Etsy boutique. I'll put the link in the description below the video. You'll have this basic style and the second one I was talking about with this twist over the head. So let's do the 3 simple steps. You're going to fold the fabric lengthwise, good side with good side, and do that first seam, the straight line right here. When it's done, you're going to hold one layer only at the point and make sure your seam is in the center and your point are overlapping just like that. I'm still right side with right side. Now at this point you're going to do the second step, that is going to be to sew the side of the point that is on the contour. So this one over here and over here. When it's done, that's what you have. You're going to put it back, holding it at the first seam just like this. And you're going to fold the other direction, wrong side with wrong side, so like this. Now we're going to align the seam and make sure you put them one in one direction, the other one in the other direction. This way you eliminate the thickness. And what I suggest is that you do a stay stitch all around, very close to the edge. When your stay stitch is done, then you put all layers, so 4 layers, one over the other, and you're going to do your last seam right over here with your overlock. What you will get is this seam here. That's the last seam, and it's going to be inside your beanie. Now you turn it around and you have it finished.